My name is Cassie Fitter and I'm the Human Resource Manager. At RiverSide, everybody is very friendly, engaged, and valued. You're not just a person on the head count, you're not just a person on payroll. The culture is very friendly. When you walk in, it's just like you're coming in from your weekend, you're catching up on the weekend, and then getting to work. We really have a position for anyone with any type of skill set, from general assembly to more technical skilled positions, administrative, to anything within your career path. Well, we have a mentorship opportunities as well, so people can see different areas of the production floor. They can job shadow people in that role, and then they can see if it's a fit for them. Also, the training manager and I sit down with them and see, where they want to advance. So we may not have a position open for them at the time, but we can have that in mind when new opportunities come up.
My name is Brian Landy. I'm a general manager at our Winona facilities, and I've been with RiverSide for 17 years. At RiverSide Integrated Solutions, we've grown extensively in the past few years, and that has expanded our need for new talent. Right now we have general assembly positions open, brazing, material handling, all the way up to professional positions such as program management and process engineering. Our culture at RiverSide Integrated Solutions is really employee-centric and family-oriented. At the end of the day, we want all of our employees to have a fulfilling, stable, and engaging career here. As we look for new talent, we want to make sure that we bring on the best, bring the best out of all of our employees that they can be. So our in-house training department works towards continually driving the improvement of their skill set and making sure that employees always have a chance to thrive and be engaged in what they're doing. Advancement really is the hallmark of what we're doing here. We have 300 coworkers in 3 separate facilities, and there's always a variety of positions available at any given time. So we encourage that movement amongst our staff. We want them to take on new challenges, meet new team members, work in a new department, learn a new skill. And at the end of the day, that also helps our customers as it brings in new perspectives and ideas into their products.
That impacted us greatly with the additional staff that we needed to add. A lot of different job postings were available. With the new customer, our positions opened up for different skill sets within our organization. So previously we've had more of a narrow scope, but this new customer has provided us opportunity for growth for our coworkers, and they've been able to be trained into the positions that we have available for them. So there's been a lot of movement with people's career growth. We offer training to fit everybody's learning style. So we offer hands-on training with the circuit boards. We offer outside training that may be participating in different seminars that outside organizations put on, webinars, and then also via our HRIS system, we offer training development where people can go work on not only the skill set that they're going to use within the organization, but maybe soft skills that they want to use, communication skills, Excel skills, Microsoft Office skills. So we have several coworkers that utilize the opportunities for career growth within our organization, the tuition reimbursement program, the mentorship opportunities, to sit down with myself to evaluate, what skill set they have, where we can further develop them in the organization, because we'd rather develop them within the organization than them leave for a different opportunity that they feel fits their skill set better.
If it wouldn't have been for RiverSide, I would have never applied for any kind of a leadership role. They got me out of my comfort zone, and it's family oriented. I'm a name rather than a number.
I feel wanted here at RiverSide. I feel that I am very useful. At least that's what management and my coworkers make me feel. Especially right now with the merge, there seems to be a lot of opportunities. I was a cell coordinator at one point, and I was a machine operator on SMT. The culture, it's great. It's very welcoming. I have enjoyed working here since I started. Don't think about it any longer. Go ahead and come here. It's a very good place to work. The environment is great, and there is a lot of opportunities to grow.
My career path at RiverSide Integrated Solutions started as a WSU cooperative education student, where I got to work with different areas of the organization to really see where I'd be a fit here. And then RiverSide did offer me a fit as an HR assistant and marketing development assistant, where I later navigated more into an HR role, as I felt that that was more my expertise within the organization. And 9 years later, I sit here as a human resource manager. And with that experience and the opportunity that I was given within the organization, I'm passionate about providing others the same career path that I had within the organization as well, because I feel like I'm one of our success stories from a training perspective. I love working at RiverSide Integrated Solutions because of the opportunity that it has given me within my career path. I see many of our coworkers that are here today in 2 to 5 years being in different positions because of our training program and how we can develop their skill set and keep them moving on a career path that they want to go on.
We've experienced significant growth in the past 2 years, and that growth has brought about a lot of opportunities for our current staff, but even for us to bring in new talent into the organization. I'm extremely excited for the coworkers that have joined our team in the past year, and for the more than 24 coworkers that have moved on to different positions within our organization. It's a very exciting time at RiverSide Integrated Solutions, and we're always looking for new talent to join that team. With the variety of different positions that we have, we encourage everyone to apply, and we'll take a look at your application, and we might have a role. Even if it's not listed, we might have a role where you fit into our organization, as we're always looking for new talent that brings new skill set to our teams.